versus this washing machine. Oh, it's on. Oh, it's on. Why am I doing this? Yeah. Anyone coming? No. My toes are twisted. Okay, so I'm having a little problem. Bear with me. So it's a little smaller than I anticipated when I challenged this washing machine. Is that like a better machine? I can't get in that. Silly. Right, this is the closest I'm going to get. I don't know why I took my boots off. I clearly can't get in. Are we saying this is another loss for me to the socks? I mean, the dryer, I can get in the dryer, but who wants to do that? Because that's easy. This, if I was a contortionist, you'd be fine, right? Or should I just sit in there and just disappear? But the bomb's too big. Alright, I'm going on a diet. I lost! Boom! You win. Boots on again. Boots back on again.